I'm Unu, and we'll talk about layers of the rainforest. Okay, first we'll talk about emergent layer. Emergent layer is evergreen. Evergreen means when it is winter, it is green too. So the emergent layer is evergreen because it is toughest, so the plants get many sunlight. At emergent layer, there is parrot like macaws. And at canopy layer, it is like many animals and plants. It is living there. At the canopy layer, there is fruit bats, monkey, sloth, toucan, and iguana. And at understory layer, it is getting little bit sunlight. And at understory layer, there is like second many plants and animals lives here. There is rattlesnake, butterfly, red-eyed tree frog here. And the last one. The last one, the forest floor is the darkest, and no sunlight gets here, but very, very little bit sunlight goes here. The animal like pink dolphin and red belly piranha, capybara, jaguar, and tapir live in here. Okay, see you later. Bye. Dun, 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 dun.